All right, welcome everybody. So we've got some news today to go forward here on the channel. Going to be making some big changes about how we're doing things here. So going forward, I think I'm going to kind of refocus the YouTube channel a bit. It had gotten really stagnant. Everybody, interested in the futures and prop firms and all that today, and I'm still not transporting myself into the futures world or anything like that. But starting today on the channel, I am going to be focusing on growing a small funded stock trading account. That's what I'm going to be doing here now on the channel with Trade the Pool. So I'm going to break down for you how that's going, what that's looking like, and what the plan is, as well as some of the first trades on that account here in today's video. Okay, so if you guys don't know, Trade the Pool is basically like all of the futures stock prop firms out there that you see, or futures prop firms out there that you see, except that it's for stocks specifically. So if you are looking for something like that, I have begun to use them now, and we're gonna, use them together and learn and go forward as we go here. But this is their main website, and I'll just quickly break down. Eventually, I'll do a full, in-depth video about Trade the Pool and all that, but this is just the beginning video since I've just started getting into it, and I haven't been through all the steps or phases or everything like that. But yeah, we're just going to break down to you which program that I'm with today on Trade the Pool. Okay, so they got a bunch of different options of account sizes that you can get and things like that. So if you maybe want to start small and learn as you go, and then maybe you start getting better and you want to upgrade, they definitely have all the way up to $200,000 in buying power that you can get. Now for me, the account that I chose to start with is a $50,000 flex account. They have different options, a flexible and a disciplined. It's kind of changes what your options are here in your objectives and your risk parameters and things like that. So if you look at the disciplined for the 50K, your target is 6%, daily pause would be 1%, max loss 3%, minimum positions 20, and your trading periods is you got 60 days. And then once you get funded, a payout split of 70-30. I chose flexible because my daily pause is higher, max loss a little bit higher, less minimum positions, and an unlimited trading period was the thing that I wanted because, sometimes I'm not able to trade. I got the move to the new house coming up here soon. So this was the account that I chose to start here. Prohibited practice, trade duration, you got to have at least 30 seconds in a trade. That's not very long at all. Trade range, you got to make at least 10 cents on any given trade. That is something I have to think about sometimes because some of my lower price ones are a little bit longer than that. And then a 50% consistency rule. There are a few more rules that you have to keep in mind, like you can't trade something that's moved 8% in the last 4 minutes or something like that once you get into your actual account. Cash out rules, minimum withdrawal 14 days, consistency rule, yes, and minimum 0.5% profit days 3, and then you can get a bunch of different add-ons that you want. But this is the account that I'm starting with in Trade the Pool, and this account cost me $285. Okay, so let's get into the trade that I made today in my Trade the Pool account, and then we'll break down my account look in my actual Trade the Pool dashboard right after that. I'm gonna ASTS here, see if it gets up closer to 3450. And get into the 3440s here. Put 200 out here, 3443. Okay, got a starter here in ASTS 3443, 200 shares. All right, gonna add in here, now have 400, average price of 3467. Tried to get another add in there, 3533, didn't quite get there. All right, it's gonna get there now. Okay, got that. Now I have 800 at 35 exactly. All right, come on down under 35 here. Keep coming. All right, keep coming. All right, I'm going to take off 400 there. Beautiful move now. Going to keep coming a little bit more. All right, see if I can get another 200 off there. Got that off. Now we'll see if this can continue down a bit further here. Just want to lock in a little bit more. See if it gets under 34.50. Hoping for the bigger move here under 34.50. So far not getting it. Oh, tried to take the rest off there on that rebound. Didn't get it yet. All right, just taking the rest off there. So a $220 win here on the Trade the Pool account. All right, so this is my actual dashboard for this Flex account. You can see it's the Flex 50K. It's active. Here's my profit target. I did trade. I opened it last Friday, and I got, just kind of started learning the platform and the system and how it was all going to work like that. So I'm up a total of $307 on the account so far. You can see max loss and daily pause haven't changed because I'm up on the account. So there's my little account balance over time. I took 3 trades on Friday, 2 small winners, 1 small loser, and then the nice win today. It kind of keeps track of where you are as well. So you can keep track of, you can't have it, one of your trades can't be more than 50% of your total profit. So that thing's going to slide over time. Like say you get to your $3,000 profit market, then you can't have one trade that's like 1,500 of it. So I don't think I'm going to have that problem. Minimum trades there, and then it breaks down your best stock, risk reward parameter, and all my trades here at the bottom. So you can see the one that I took today in ASTS. I took 3 on Friday, RX, GRR, and LUNR, 2 small winners and 1 small loser there to get the account started. So yeah, that's where we are in the evaluation stage of the Trade the Pool small account challenge. $285 to do this one. I've got all the time in the world to hit the passing profit mark, so hopefully I can do that, and hopefully we'll document that all in the channel. So all right, so there it is, everybody. We're going to be getting into this new series here on the channel, and this is what I'm going to be primarily focusing on. I did trade the main account today. The main account hasn't gone anywhere. It's still there. I can show you. Is this the one I want? No. Hold on. All right, so there's the main account. You can see I made a little bit over $300 there today in the main account. But like I said, that's not going to be the focus here going forward. The focus going forward is now going to be this small account challenge. If you guys want to link up with me, join Trade the Pool, there is a description or a link down in the description below for you guys to do that. Hopefully we can all make some money together.